Okay, now.
Meanwhile, back at the ranch, aka
Daisy motorhome. So we're working on electric, and I've crawled through the window twice. I should probably go over there and show where I crawled through the window.
Yeah, probably.
I'm going to show you how I had to get into the motorhome twice today. This tiny driver's side window. I was using, whoops, this stool, and it was sinking, so then I used the battery charger. And so now, yeah, this is where I climbed through twice. So boys decided maybe they needed to work on the door. So now we're not working on the house, we're working on this house.
Never mind Dan's wound.
Oh yeah, don't mind Dan's wound. It's superficial, it's fine.
Just what a flesh wound.
It was just a tiny scratch, but it wouldn't stop bleeding.
I had a cat scratch bigger than that once.
I don't know, maybe it was that tiny.
What's that?
He said, I don't think it was that tiny.
Oh, well.
I don't know how big a cat it was.
Okay, we better stop with those jokes. This is gonna go downhill.
We did try to fix it.
Yeah, Amy, what did we do?
Well,
tell
I
the
did,
people
like,
what we did.
I did the YouTube, you know, because I figured if they can build a house off of YouTube, we surely could fix the lock. So I YouTube searched it, and it said it might just be dirty or whatever. So I took WD-40 and some Q-tips, and I cleaned it up. But I think it might be a mechanism that's going to have to be replaced that I did not have access to. I'm guessing that they're also going to have the whole Google search, and they'll have to go on Amazon and find the parts for this because, I mean, maybe they can fix it. They can fix most anything. I mean, they're building a house, but we'll see how this goes.
Yeah, okay, so. And it continues. We'll get Dan's perspective. Why is this not working?
WD-40?
Nothing appears to be broke. It just feels like this is slipping underneath.
Yeah. So we'll have to get the electric cord out here in a second. Can you spin the
What?
double?
Which way you want me to spin it?
Both maybe. I
It's
haven't got
not-
it lined up yet.
I don't feel like it's moving anything yet.
Keep going. There it is. Is it going under or? That's way the frick down there. Just sprung. So if we bend that back up, we should be in good shape.
Bend it back.
Okie dokie. Sorry. Hammer time.
We have one here.
Hammer time.
I have no idea.
I don't either.
It's hammer time.
Yeah, totally.
That was MC Hammer, wasn't it?
Uh,
Dance just like him.
I think you're.
You need a hammer, an actual hammer.
I don't know if I trust that without something all the way up here. How about this?
I MacGyver 1 and MacGyver 2.
You
There.
want me to do it?
Well, he
cheers.
wants you to break it, not him. I mean, I get it. What is that made of? Steel?
Well, it's partially. This is maybe
No, I'm asking the piece you're
magnesium.
The
This,
piece,
I'm
yes.
guessing steel.
This is steel.
Oh
and
my
this
gosh.
is steel.
I think-
This is either aluminum or magnesium.
Great, thanks. Thanks for that.
That's where we need the hammer. Uno momento, por favor.
This is the piece that is broken, according to the professor.
I mean, I would trust a guy.
He's got a head wound.
I would trust the guy with the head wound.
Oh no, what you talking about?
Radar?
This is my Sunday best.
Radar, what you think?
Ay, ay, ay.
Huh? What you think? What you think? I think I'm just gonna wait here with him, Joe, and take a nap. I'm just gonna wait right here. Yeah.
I want to hit up here too. Good.
What's this for? Bending it all.
I can
Seems like
straighten
it.
it up a little bit.
Oh, that one did it.
Mm-hmm.
Let's try that.
I hit it back here first. Your hole's too little. Make your hole. Double D repair.
Now we just gotta get the electric door locks reconnected.
This is the how to fix the lock with no explanations.
We don't know what we're doing.
I showed you what was wrong according to the professor.
You did. You did.
We beat
Dan.
on it. It is now correct.
It's
It
fixed.
works.
It works.
We had a low for customer maintenance.
Don't ask any questions. Just open and close the door. Okay. Check.
Well, we'll make sure that it works before we do that.
Keep a
Put
ladder.
somebody inside.
Excuse me.
I think I would like to have a ladder.
Keep
Yes.
a ladder near the big window.
You're at a construction zone. You have ladders all over the place.
Fine. Trying to get the correct dirt mark lined up. Is that what you're doing?
Yes.
That's what I was doing.
Before you put all of that back, like on other things. Are you gonna?
All right.
Wipe
You
that
want to go
off.
inside?
I can.
You want me to go in? So you're videoing?
Sure. Oh, why don't you go inside? You know how to do this part. Just.
Just give me a minute. I got a knee. Watch out, bud.
I'm glad you got a knee.
I got a knee.
Look, we'll go, Tom.
Ritter's like,
Dad.
I'll go with you, Amy. It's okay.
Thanks, bud.
You go inside. You give me cheese.
We got any cheese?
I love you long time.
Long time. That is beautiful.
No.
What?
Well, that's fun.
Now what's
Wind
wrong?
sprung the door.
That was that gooey stuff.
What'd you do? What'd you do?
Oh, the black gooey that's all over the hands.
These are loose.
Oh, okay. I'll fix that. Ooh, it
getting
looks like
ready
a
to.
spaceship door. It's all shiny.
Well, shiny.
Shiny.
With weird shapes.
Yeah. All the weird shapes. Doing okay in there?
Great.
Great. I'm so glad. She knows.
Woohoo!
Gotta get this on.
Oh,
never
sorry.
mind. It's still recording.
I mean, would you like a close up?
Yes.
The door works! Yay!
Huzzah!
Okay.